Best Small Sport Sedans for 2024-2023 Audi S4. In the realm of small sport sedans, the 2023 Audi S4 emerges as a formidable contender, seamlessly blending performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. As the latest iteration of Audi's esteemed S4 lineup, this compact sedan raises the bar in terms of driving dynamics, offering a thrilling experience while maintaining practicality and comfort. Under the hood of the 2023 Audi S4 lies a potent turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering an impressive 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S4 offers exhilarating acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and dynamic capabilities, the S4 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. However, the S4 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Audi's engineers have meticulously tuned the S4's suspension, chassis, and steering to provide precise and responsive handling, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with confidence. Whether navigating city streets or tackling winding mountain roads, the S4 offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Audi S4 exudes an air of sophistication and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, a distinctive single-frame grille, and LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The S4's upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by 18-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and S-specific styling cues, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the S4 offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, aluminum trim, and ambient lighting create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Audi's MMI infotainment system, virtual cockpit, and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Audi S4 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi S4 represents the pinnacle of performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the S4 offers enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Whether cruising along the highway or navigating twisty backroads, the S4 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.